Are you interested in having your very own Bitcoin website that makes you money? Can you spend a little bit of time to create your website? No website creation experience is needed, and if desired with some limitations, no need to buy domain and hosting. So learn from my year of success and mistakes everything that I have learned in this short course and begin applying it today. My name is Jimmy Hernandez, a certified Bitcoin professional. This course is designed to get anyone to create their very own simple Bitcoin affiliate website in the shortest time possible to start getting Bitcoin referrals. This course begins by telling you how to create simple, stunning, professional Bitcoin websites. Then, we go over everything you need before setting up the website, how to write original content, how to monetize with Bitcoin, add Bitcoin ads, automatic Bitcoin donations, Bitcoin ad space, and much more. Lastly is the content and distribution section for your website. Sound easy? That's because it is. The hard part is getting it all set up, and that is what this course will show you how to do. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in this course and begin your Bitcoin journey today.